Hi everyone, this is Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. What is the difference between drum brake versus disc brakes? Let's watch in this video. First, we learn about what are the components present in drum brake. First, drum. Next, piston. Next, wheel cylinder. Parking brake device. Brake shoes. Cable to parking brake. Self adjuster. Drum. Let's watch what is drum. The drum is a device which is used to stop the vehicle. When the brake shoes are giving pressures to the drum, thereby the drum will come to the rest. It means it comes to stop. The piston is used to move the piston here is present is used to move these brake shoes to engage with the drum and create a friction force to stop the wheel or a bike wheel or a car wheel. So it is the working of drum brake. In the drum brake, it is a pneumatic type brake. The brake is given by a pneumatic fluid. That means air brake is given. The brake lining it means brake shoes. Brake shoes is fixed with the brake lining. It is a friction material. When the brake is applied, the piston is tilt. The S-shaped cam. The cam is made to tilt, and the brake shoes are get engaged and create the friction between the drum and the brake shoes. It is retained by the return spring present here. You can see this. It is fixed with the wheel hub, so the wheel is come to rest. You can see a anchor pin. That means it is fixed with the hub. So this is the working of drum brake. When the brake is applied, it may be a wire or a pneumatic or a hydraulic brake. The cam tend to move. The cam tend to slide anti-clockwise or clockwise. The brake shoes are get engaged with the brake drum. Then the vehicle tends to stop. The next brake is disc brake. How disc brake is working? Let's watch. The disc brake has four components. One is disc, brake pads, calipers, inspection holes. These are the four components present in disc brake. The disc brake is only operated by hydraulic systems. It cannot operated by wire or any other systems. It is only operated by hydraulics. It has also an advanced version called anti-locking braking system, that is ABS. Let's watch how it is working in our practical life. You can see rotor is marked. The rotor is called as our disc plate. The disc plate has a ventilated holes which is used for cooling. The hub is a wheel is fixed with the hub, so it is called hub. There is two calipers. There is two calipers. One is two brake pads. Brake pads are present at the both side of the disc. When you press the brake, the piston tends to move and make contact with the disc, and the disc brake will comes to stop or comes to rest. This is the working of disc brake. The efficiency of disc brake with drum brake. Disc brake has more power to stop the vehicle, but there is one risk of disc brake. When you suddenly press the disc brake, this piston comes suddenly contact with the disc. It creates a sudden locking of wheel. So which is preferred that you can use the ABS system with the disc brake. It is more preferable. So this is the working of disc brake. Thank you.